What's up, little M's beauty babes? So right now I'm going to be doing a special FX makeup tutorial, and I'm going to be doing a look that it's going to make a card coming out of this side of my head and then coming out of this side of my cheek. So I hope you guys enjoy, and let's get this started. Start off with using my latex. I got this from Walmart for $10, and I bought this last year. That's why it looks all beaten up. But it came in a lot of use, so let me start. Let me see which side I want to do. Maybe right here. I gotta make it nice and long and make sure I don't get my hair. And I'm gonna be using cotton balls to make it more thick and look realistic. So I'm gonna just start patting that down my head. I feel like cotton balls are so much easier than the tissue because it spreads easy and it's just so much easier. So now we're gonna put more latex on this. Okay, we're gonna take that because that's just dragging. And then it's kind of harder with cotton also, just because we don't want it to move. So I don't know if I should do, yeah, I'm gonna do the smaller one because it makes more sense to do that. Okay, so I'm trying to embed it without messing up. Okay, so now let's grab more cotton. Oh, that looks sick, guys. Okay, we're definitely gonna have to put more cotton over here. So embed that it stays. Oh, that's sick, guys. We gotta make it not look non-realistic because we want to make it look realistic as possible. So okay, and you gotta make sure that you don't get your eyebrow hair because that's where it could go wrong and take out your own hair out of your head. So, and it's getting pretty close to my eyebrow, so I'm not trying to mess with that too much. So I might have to take this end off a little bit. Okay. It should be staying, I just want it to, there we go. Okay. It's way too close to my eyebrow. I might have to fix this. Okay. I think it looks pretty realistic as of right now. So I guess we'll start on the foundation. I just don't know how I feel right now, because I feel like it's gonna fall off. So Okay, I don't think it's gonna fall because it's pretty glued down there. Let me just add more latex on the top of the... See, this is the problem with this, is because it keeps coming up. So, we don't want that to come off. Nor do we want our eyebrow hair to come off. So, we're gonna start putting some foundation on. Where is my beard? Okay, we're gonna start beating my face. Make it look realistic as possible. So if we miss a little white, it's just because we don't want, we gotta make it look bloody and gory, so. There's my glasses. Okay. So, the card got a little dirty, but that's okay. We just gotta make sure that it blends in with everything. Okay. Now we're gonna move on to making this look realistic as possible. So we're gonna move on to my blushes. So I think I'm gonna use this orangey reddish color and just mix a little colors with it to make it look real as possible. I might have to use this brush to do that because I don't want it to not look realistic. Okay. Okay. So now we're going to add a little brown to make it look like I really injured myself. Put some on the card. I don't want it to move too back. Okay, so I'm going to move on to my Morphe palette. It's starting to look really good. I'm actually really happy. Okay, so then we're going to move to a little black and brown just to make it look like bad. Like I really hurt myself. Ooh. Okay, I'm actually really happy with how this is turning out. Okay, I'm going to add a little more black on this side because I want this side to really look beaten up. And with this type of makeup, guys, you really got to get messy and creative. That way. So I'm going to move to a little pink. Okay, it looks pretty bruised up. Alright, now I did come up with this little paste thing that looks like blood because the blood that I had didn't make it really look realistic. So we're gonna try our best here to make it look realistic as possible. That way. And put some blood on the card. Ooh, I'm actually loving this right now. Oh yeah. Do you see this, guys? So you want to make it look realistic as possible. Make it look like it's dripping down. That's impressive. I'm like really impressed with myself right now, because I did not expect this to come out really great. Nor, and you could just put blood, spread it on it. Okay, we are gonna move on to the cheek now. So I think what we're gonna do here is just add a little more red because it looks more like dried up. So we want to make this look realistic as possible. Yeah, and then add a little more this solution that I created. Okay. Now, get the cap to this. So this looks pretty realistic at this point, guys. I look pretty beat up. So, okay guys, so I'm not going to do the cheek because I don't want to. So, I am going to just add more effect on the top one. And then maybe like add a little blood along my mouth. Just to make it look like I went through something crazy. And then we're going to add some browns and stuff. So, where is brush? Okay. So we're going to add some browns. I need the darkness of this color. Just going to add some brown. Okay, that looks pretty realistic. So yeah, I look pretty beat up. And then we're going to just add a little more blood. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a fat thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
If you don't complain.